My hair is not hairing today. Hi everyone, this is Anshika and I'm back with another video after so long. In this video, I'm gonna be telling you everything about the Birds of Campus Paradise program. I know most of you already know about the brand, and for those of you who don't know, Birds of Paradise is a hair color brand, and they even made their appearance in Shark Tank, and they're really trending nowadays. You can check out their Instagram page. As you all loved my video which I made on the campus ambassador programs of Myntra and Yumi, I thought I'll make this one too because I have recently been a part of this Birds of Paradise campaign. If you haven't already watched the video that I made on Myntra and Yumi, you will get the link in the I button and in the description box as well. First of all, I'll tell you what is ParaRep. So basically, ParaRep is the campus ambassador program of Birds of Paradise, wherein they select a few college students to represent their brands in their colleges or social medias or in society. So basically the main purpose is to aware the people around about the brand. So if you are selected as a para rep, you have to do certain tasks and in return they give you a goodie box. This is the goodie box. I've already unboxed it and I've posted a reel and a short. So go watch it if you want to know what's inside. Coming back to the topic, so there are two phases in the Paradise program, and each phase is of 15 days. In phase 1, there are 2 or 3 activities, and the activities are mostly online. In phase 2, there are activities which are offline also. Also, only a few people make it to the phase 2 based on their performances. Your team leader will select the people who did the activities really well. For example, if there are 80 people selected as para reps and out of 80, only 20 people did the phase 1 activities really well. So, only 20 people will go further in the phase 2 and the remaining 60 people will have to leave, and those who have made to phase 2 they will only get the goodie box and not the other people. And trust me, it's not that difficult to make it to phase 2. You just have to give your best, and that's it. Also, you get your personalized codes. By using them, your followers can get discount on the website, and you can also use it. And every time your followers use your code, you get a certain percentage of the total amount as commission. And there are so many perks of being a part of this program. I'll share everything one by one. But before that, I've got some questions that I'll answer. So the first question is, do I need to have colored hair to be a part of ParaFam? So no, it's not mandatory to have colored hair. I don't have colored hair, but I was still a part of it. Next question is it mandatory to be a college student? So yes, it is absolutely compulsory to be a college student because this program is for college students only, and you can be from any city. It's not mandatory to be from metro cities only. Another question is, do we have to pay anything during the program? So no, you don't have to pay any amount. I'm talking about the perks of being a part of this program. Oh my god, the list is never ending. There are so many perks. First of all, you get to get your hands on this amazing goodie box, and who doesn't want it? And you also get a chance to attend the events happening in your city, and you also get a chance to become a team leader of the next edition if your performance was really good in the during the program. And you also get a chance to intern with Paradise. And the most exciting part is all the members can go on lunch date at the end of the program, and the bill is totally on the Paradise team. This was all the information that I had to share with you about the program. And if you have any questions about it, you can leave them in the comment section. Also, if you want to be a part of this program, you can DM me on Instagram for the form links. And this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button and share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.